Tom and Lily had known each other since childhood. They were best friends, inseparable from the moment they met. Over time, their friendship blossomed into a deep love. Tom couldn't imagine his life without Lily, and she felt the same. They made countless plans for their future, dreaming of traveling the world, building a family, and growing old together. But life had a different plan. One day, Lily fell ill, and no treatment could heal her. The doctors gave her little time, and Tom's heart shattered. He stayed by her side, holding her hand as she grew weaker. Despite her pain, Lily smiled every day, telling Tom that she didn't want him to cry for her. She wanted him to remember the beautiful moments they had shared. As the days passed, their conversations grew softer, filled with memories and quiet love. Tom promised her that he would live a life filled with happiness, even after she was gone, because that's what she wanted for him. One evening, as the sun set, Lily took her last breath. Tom held her hand tightly, whispering that he loved her. Even as she slipped away, his world felt empty without her. But he knew that her love would always stay with him. Though the pain was unbearable, Tom remembered his promise. He traveled to all the places they had dreamed of, carrying her memory in his heart. Every sunset reminded him of her smile, and though she was gone, he knew their love was eternal. Moral: true love stays with you, even after loss. It's the memories, the moments, and the promises made that keep love alive, forever in the heart. I hope you love the story as much as I enjoyed sharing it. Don't forget to subscribe for more great stories. Come back soon. And until then, keep spreading kindness.